Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to prepare your own neem powder from the comfort of your home. Neem powder has so many very many benefits for your hair, for your skin, for your health in general, and it's so amazing. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to prepare yours from the comfort of your home. So if this sounds very interesting to you and you'd like to find out more about this, please go ahead to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post new videos. And also please go ahead to give this video a thumbs up because you're going to be learning from this video. Thank you so much, guys. Now I know the question that is going to be going through your mind is going to be, how do I get to identify these leaves when I get to see them probably in the market or in any other store, whatever? How am I going to identify these leaves? Well, it's very easy. If you're in Nigeria and you're thinking of how to identify these leaves, well, don't worry, calm down. You could go to those women who sell vegetables and a bunch of other stuff like organic herbs, stuff like that. You could ask them for dogoyaro. So don't go asking them for neem, obviously, because they wouldn't know it to be referred to as neem. So you could go ahead to ask them for dogoyaro. I'm going to leave it spelled out on the screen. Please go ahead to ask them for dogoyaro and they are definitely going to give it to you if they have it, and if they don't, probably they'll tell you where to get it and all of that. So do not be aloof when you're going to look for this. Don't ask for neem leaf. Obviously nobody would know neem leaves, so ask them for dogoyaro. So when you firstly get your neem leaves, which is also called dogoyaro leaves in Nigeria, from the market, all you have to do first of all is to pluck them out from the stalk. Now these leaves comes with so many impurities in them, so you would want to wash them properly first before any other procedure. So when you get your leaves freshly from the market, you take them off from the stalk. And so after taking out your neem leaves from the stalk, this is what you're going to be having. You're going to be having just the leaves without any piece of wood whatsoever in it. So this is what you'll be having. So you proceed to washing this to wash off the sand, the dust, and a couple of other impurities that must have rested on them while they were still in the market. So now let's proceed to the benefits of neem leaf. Neem powder or neem leaf purifies the blood, battles free radical damage, flushes out toxins, treats insect bites, and cures ulcer. Furthermore, the powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties of neem leaf powder facilitates in treating worm infestations, burns, skin disorders, and triggers the immune system. So you find out that you do not only need neem leaf for your hair alone, nor for just your skin, but you need neem leaves for a daily care for your hair, your skin, and also for your health as well. Now, for the benefits of neem leaf to the hair, it conditions your scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, it temporarily seals hair follicles, it soothes frizz, minimizes gray hairs, reduces dandruff, and also treats head lice. So you can see how amazing it is for you to use neem leaves for your hair as well. Now you could make neem leaves into oils and into sprays as well. So that's the main reason why you need to get yours. So after washing, you proceed to blending. Sorry, I did not show you guys the process of blending. It's basically simple. Before you blend your neem leaves, you must have either sun dried or used an oven to dry out your neem leaves. And after drying it, you could then proceed to blending, and after blending you would have a fine powder like this. You want to blend till it's very smooth, okay? You really want to blend till it's very very smooth. And then when you have a very fine powder like this, you have your neem leaf and you have your neem powder with you that you could use for numerous benefits for your hair. And so with this, like I earlier mentioned, you could go ahead to make your oils, you could go ahead to make sprays, you could also use this to make hair masks depending on how you want to use it. You could also go ahead to use it for your skin, like I also mentioned, and also I think you could drink this, yes, for your health purposes as well, but I'm not very sure. You have to do a doctor's consultation before you think about drinking this. But for using it for your hair and for your skin, I think you could go ahead to use that. So after which, you're going to proceed into transferring it into a storage jar. Now you could use a storage jar like this one. This is a plastic jar. You could also use a glass jar. You could basically just store it anywhere you're comfortable in storing it. Okay, no particular storage jar for you to use. Just store, and also keep this in a cool and dry area for it to be safe and kept well for you. And so after transferring into your jar, you put a lid over this and you store in an area not too cool and not too hot, just to preserve this very well. You could actually store this in your cupboard or where you basically keep all of your hair treatment. And that is it for this video. That is all for this video. So please go ahead to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. Bye.